I know it's tough.
I just do not care anymore, George. We knew what the game was doing.
I understand that, Eddie, but we had a good thing going. Pa was proud, Mom was rolling in the money. There was not a single person in the world that could mess with us. Don't you miss that feeling, Eddie? Don't you miss the power?
Yeah, but
But what? You can't go through your entire life letting people boss you around. Every other game rolling your head. No.
exactly. I don't want this life.
Let me make it. We honor Mom and Pa's name, bring respect back to the game, and it's over.
Okay, I'm listening.
We take care of those who did us wrong, pocket a few million, and then we move on. You can go sail whatever rinky-dink boat you have.
It's not a rinky-dink boat. It's a yacht.
Are you in or not?
Only for Mom and Pop. After that, I'm out.
That's my boy.
And don't get too comfortable with this. I'm doing this and I'm out. Don't take it too far either. We don't need a repeat of what happened in Madagascar.
Hey, Lucky had that coming for him.
Speaking of Lucky, and them.
Got to take care. Don't worry.